We are here today with our two guests. Here we have Nedret Altinsoy, and he is the what's your title there?
Actually, I'm financial data director and co-founder at NedMach machinery company.
Okay, great. And we also have Cüneyt Yılmaz, a friend from a long time. And what's your title, Cüneyt?
Well, I'm one of the co-founder of the company, and I run the operations, customer relationships. This is what we do. I mostly run the production, engineering, get in touch with the customers.
Yeah,
that's what I do. Operational stuff I do.
Good. And what's happening with this company is both of these gentlemen have decided to start their own company to get some products into the fabricating market. And in fact, there's one of them back here right now that's a metalworking machine from the company logo there, the NedMach. We also have this deslagger, and so those are the two that we have at the show. I'm sure there are more things coming in the future, but we'll get down to some questions we had asked you before. And the first one is, tell us about the history of your company. What did you see in the market that made you take the risk? You could have gone anywhere you wanted to, but you took the risk of starting a company.
Yeah, we have been working in this sector like 2 decades, and it was always in our mind to run our business one day. Yeah. And but we were just waiting for the correct time and to find the correct partners. And I think it was time we worked on the market and tried to find out what markets needs. We were always get in touch with the customer, asking them how we can help you on your production, manufacturing. And the idea came up to us to build an iron worker. It's a single phase iron worker. It's 22 ton. We designed it for the workshops and for the garages, like for the farms. It's a mobile machine. A single phase. You just plug it in, and you can cut angle, you can cut sheet with this machine. And Nedret is my partner. We used to work together for a long time. We decided to partner up and find these products in the market and just go for it, produce it sell it in the market. And we do also we partner up with Bülük Makina. They also manufacture plate rolling machines, pre-roll motorized plate rolling machines. We do also have a slab cleaner over here for the cleaning the slag over the laser table.
Yeah.
And we are doing good. We are happy. We got too many demands here in the Euroblack show in Europe. So we look forward to the customers to visit us and get in touch with us if they need anything on the market.
Yeah, and definitely not new territory for either one of you. You have lots of experience. Tell us about the products that you're offering. Maybe what makes them a little different, and maybe what you might have in the future as well.
Yeah, mostly just as Cüneyt, my partner, told, we have just come up with this idea together with this iron worker. And this small iron worker was really demanded, and then in the world just we couldn't find any similar products. The most companies produce the larger sizes the iron workers.
Yes.
But there are so many customers, they want to pay less money, but they want to handle their jobs also with smaller machine. That's why we have seen this niche situation in the market, and we created that machine for our customers. And after that, we together get one product was not enough for us. Of course, just we created our company, and then our aim was always to find solution for the customers. According to demand, we improved our production range, and we partnered up with the Bülük machine company. We got some chair, so we started producing and improving the machines also at this company, because we know very well the demand in the European side and American side about these products, what quality they need and what price. So just for now, we produce in our production state iron worker, small iron worker, and slab cleaner, some plate bending machine, different sizes, bordering machines, they are. But we are selling also so many different type of machines in the metal sheet industry. It's like laser cutting machines, plasma cutting machines, press brakes, and tube bending machines, mandrel and long mandrel types. So these are our product range actually in the metal sheet industry.
Okay. And you mentioned the single phase. You both mentioned single phase on that iron worker, so you could plug that into just a regular plug in the U.S., just a two-prong.
Yeah.
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 You don't have to have 220 volts. It could be 110 back at home.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's right.
Okay. Good. Where will your products be available? I know some people might look at you're opening a company and go, these guys maybe are a little crazy because, is this the right time? But it's a very right time for exporting, right?
Yes. We have a website, and we are traveling all the world. We are going to the exhibition, and customers can get in touch with us through our website. And we are now setting out our dealership organization.
Okay.
We got dealers in Hungary, we got dealers in Serbia, in France, in Germany. We got a good partner also in the United States.
Okay.
I think it's a good start for the beginning. And we will create our dealership all around the world, especially for the three-roll motorized plate rolling machines. We are interested in working with dealers also from Europe, from United States and Canada. We're going to we design a four-roll plate rolling machines, and soon we're going to start building that machine and presenting it to the market. ANC control, CNC control option it's going to have. So it's going to be a new product for us. But we will, as my partner said, we are going to find the correct spots to fill in the market.
Yeah,
so price and the quality is going to be equal,
Yeah, interesting you mentioned that about the iron worker even. I think, NedMach, you mentioned it. You don't have to go big. I mean, there are a lot of companies that only make iron workers, and they make lots of tonnage, but to have something that's convenient and small, there are not a lot of people going after that market, so you have less competition, I would think, right?
Exactly, we think also so.
Yeah.
That was our idea in the beginning, so just we separate us from this really competition.
Yeah, okay, good. What are the things that are making your products different from competitors?
Actually, just in this case, what was important, just we were in the market for long years actually. We were always in contact with the customers.
Yeah.
In some cases, it was we were not able to help them because we didn't know their aims, their goals, what they need. But if you work at some company, you are not the decision taker, for example. That's why we have created our company, and then now we can help them build their solutions. What is the difference? What makes us different from the other competitors, for example? We know we created our machine, so we know very well the customer's mass, so at what price and what quality they need, actually we know.
All right, so you're looking for that sweet spot, right?
Yeah, so always quality and also after sales service.
Yeah.
We never do that, for example, sell and forget. Just we follow always the machines, for example. We are selling the machines, even if we don't get any feedback, any bad feedback actually from the customers, just in 3 months, in 2 months, we follow up, we call them. Also, if we have the possibility, we visit the customers and ask if they need something, if they have some trouble about the machine. So we always follow the machine. So they feel themselves very comfortable if they buy some machine from us.
Okay.
Because they feel that we are for them. Not our aim is to make profit for our company, just we wanna give some advantage to these companies who buy the machines from us.
It's interesting because some companies came into the U.S. market and really didn't think about the service part of it, and that became a big stumbling block for them. So it's great to think of the service ahead of time. Will that go through that sales network as well? the service part, or will you be doing the service? How will that service be done?
Well, service is going to be on our side. Also, we have a contact person.
Okay.
The most important thing and the challenge that I think our customers live, especially for American market, is the language barrier and the time difference.
Yeah, yeah.
We're
Yep.
going to, we have a contact agent in the United States that American customers can reach them in without the language barrier.
Oh,
Whatever
okay.
they need,
Yep.
they can just explain to our agent, and they just contact with us directly, and with the quickest way we respond to their questions or technical questions, demands for their spare parts. Right away, we work with a good transport agents. We just send their spare parts on time.
Okay.
Any technical questions, everything we will cover that.
Okay. Good. Good. The next and the last question is, what automation or other technologies do you hope to include in the future for your products?
Actually, just we followed always trends. It is going on the way of the 4.0 or full automation actually in the world. So we follow always the trends, but for now, of course, just step by step we are going with concrete steps actually. Otherwise, just we cannot go jump into the all fields
Yes.
at the same time. But now over time, what we're gonna do is just we're gonna apply to our models for the NC and CNC models. This is very important, and also some feeding tables, for example, called plate bending machines, to make full automation. On that way, just we're gonna follow. And also about the laser cutting. This industry is very, very important and popular now. That's why over time, just we're gonna improve ourselves, and we plan to start producing some type of laser cutting machines also. But for now, what is important, just what we know well, we are doing that one actually.
Okay. Good. And what else? That's all the questions I had prepared, but do you have anything else to add to our conversation?
Well, as we explained, we know the market very well. We've been in this sector for long years. We got friends all over the world. Especially we know the production in manufacturing in Turkey very well. So any customers, we also do consulting businesses for our customers. As I explained to you, we want to help them, to our customers, also the manufacturing companies, to get together. We want to take down this language barrier between the customers and manufacturing department, especially in Turkey. So we do the consultancy for these European or American customers. We help them to get their spare part and after-sale services on time from Turkish manufacturers.
Yeah.
We created a bridge between those two sides. We help in that way to our customers as well.
Yeah. Good. Okay. All right. Thank you very much, gentlemen.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Welcome.